Yo. Yo yo yo. Yo 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 yo. Well, I'm gonna finish up some coding, yo. I'm gonna finish up that coding. Fudge. There we go. All right. Today on the Ultra Derek Show, we got the code. The code. I was having problems debugging this earlier, and I was kind of looking it through, and a little bit, like a second, like today. And then when I got onto it, I got on about like my computer about 30 minutes before stream. I figured out the issue. I think I got the whole situation solved. I think. I can't tell what's missing or not. Yeah. It's because this doesn't like print out well. All right, man. So, yeah, I had one of these in the wrong space. I had my emotes under author. And I was like checking, I was like, oh, I guess it wasn't under there. Because I thought this was part of author for some odd reason. Maybe it was spacing it weird. So it's actually part of message. Well, I call this message, but there's another message here. So anyways, message.message. Ooh. I guess I could call this like a, what if I rename this to like a token? I think that's what they call them. I'm not like 100% sure. It might be a token. These token names for these tokens. So anyways, let me put on some tunes. Well, I got tunes on. I want something more chill. So I don't know how long I'm going to do this tonight. I'm pretty beat. I don't know why. And I got to get up at 6 o'clock, so I'll probably like at least like midnight. So at least I got this done. I'm going to go ahead and close that. And I'll zoom in like a little bit more because it's kind of hard to like read this. I can read this on my 27 inch TV, but let me know if you have a hard time reading it, if you're interested in reading it. So I guess I can like make this bigger too. So let me go into my scene, my sources, and then I can spread it out. The stuff's going to be on the side here. Ooh, you can't read the chat though. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do this. I'm gonna have to figure out something sometime. It's like I don't mind it being big, but it's kind of hard for me to read too. Like when it's very big, because then I can't see what's going on, and it's like, holy fuck! I gotta like condense these functions into like this tight space. So. Okay, so I went in, I think I went, where did I print this shit? So a good thing to do is like, I don't know like where I printed stuff, so. Okay, so here is where I printed all the stuff to see if I got everything. Before I wasn't able to get anything. So now, Bingo was his name-o. All right. Bingo was his name-o. Was there any other print? There's no other prints. No other prints there. Print F. So printf fmt dot printf or println. Ooh, I should println here. Chat scan. Chat scan, y'all. So that's okay. If error println. All right, so we're taking this out. This here, we're gonna look for Henya Dance, and it's gonna make like a file. It's gonna be called chat. Should be something CSV. Sample out 30 CSV. So this will be the Henya chat. We're just seeing if like Henya Dance. We're gonna see where everybody like does the Henya Dance. So I don't think I need to print anything. Let me just double check that there's a print. That only prints if there's an error. That was just me trying to check. All right, so let's run this. That was pretty darn fast. Let's see what this looks like. Yep. Nothing to see here. So what's going on with that is that it's trying to put this pretty big file into like a Notepad or Get It. New spreadsheet. Okay, so we can close this one. We don't care about it. Okay. Oh, ooh, that's looking good. People are really doing Henya Dance. Well, I guess it's not like that much. So this is like probably the beginning. I put Henya Dance there, but this is like the beginning, typically. And because everybody like dances at the beginning, because she has some cool tunes usually. Henya Dance. Henya Dance. So, yeah. So this is like each user that does the dance thing. And here, let's do this. So it's not like as important at the beginning of the thing. So like the first 10 minutes, probably not as important. Because let's see this. Let's see how close I am on this. Because people are dancing to the intro music, the waiting room music. So this is at 7 minutes and 15 seconds. What the fuck? Yeah. Wait a second. Doesn't seem right. What's the 18 at the end? I don't know what the 18 is at the end. I'm gonna have to double check that. That doesn't seem right. What? It's like it added something else. Oh, wait a second. Where'd it go? Did I have it really all the way down here? $18 is the value. It's like here. What? I don't even remember what this was. There's a dance there. I don't remember which. I wish I knew which show this was. So, which show? New window? Yeah, let's open a new window. Edits to do. Henya. So Haruka Henya. Am I trying to do it because you missed? No. I wasn't done. I wasn't done with the coding. I'm going to be doing a lot of coding here. So I'm fleshing out this program, fleshing it out. What is this? Oh, that's... The reason why I'm doing that is so I can... These will be like better editing tools for Misa. For Misa. Uh-huh. Halo is in, short stream. I'm trying to think of which one. Maybe like an Elden Ring. Let's try like Elden Ring. So I got like the chat for this. And let's bring that into here. Ooh, I just want to copy it. Copy. Paste. Yeah, I'm gonna build an AI. I'm gonna build an AI, yo. It's gonna first just talk, and eventually it's gonna get a PNG, and then eventually, I think it'll read me. Maybe I can have it like read chat first. Maybe read me. But there's like several things I gotta write before that. So I need to write a program that will take my voice and convert it to text, and then a program that will read a chat and feed it into it. Not everything, probably like a random one. Ooh, what happened? Go, cannot unmarshal, go struck, what, 42? What? Badges. Why'd it work before? Is it like randomly decided? Let's see what this is. Let's put up here. Badges. What is it? Badge author? What? Badges. What? What? Okay, Twitch.json. Badge. What's badge.author.badges.version? Badge. It's author. Oh. Author. Badges. Version. Let's see what it says here. Why can't I put float 32? I think I've done like an int and it doesn't do an int. Because it's like the number one. Version int. I wonder if they have like a... It's definitely not a string. I wonder if I can just do this. Because I don't really care about it. Eh. That's pretty fast. Let's see what happened. And we'll make a new one. Don't save. Okay. We'll spread these out. Ooh, that's huge. Boom, bring it in. What the fudge? So this can be this big. I really don't need to print Henya Dance. Although, I could. Yo, what's up, gutter priest? All my errors are fixed. Not all my errors. I was hung up on something yesterday. I was able to fix it today. Just before the stream. So what the hell is this? So this is a hit when Henya dances. 227. So it's part of this here. Not there. Okay, so this is probably after like big boss fights because this is Elden Ring. Let's put it. We'll put it in Caden Live because I can fine tune the time a little bit easier. What the fuck is this shit? Excuse my language. Here we go. Okay, so let's see. I'm getting sick of this switch. There we go. No. I don't like it. I guess I can do this. Hold on. I don't want to do that. There we go. Woo. Okay. Ooh. Oh, man. So let's bring up this. Where the fuck did it go? That, what the fuck? Where'd it go? I didn't think I closed it. Start. Okay. Did it crash on me? I think it might have crashed on me. So this should be Elden Ring. Man, that's a lot of time. Let's see how this looks like. What the fuck is this color? What am I seeing here? Excel. Am I running into like a bug here? It's usually not like this. It's like darker and it has like more options. This is really weird. I feel like I should like restart the computer. Insert object. So I don't know like the chart. Okay, charts. It's off. What is this? Oh my god, something's weird. Something's like really weird. Okay, so let's bring up that one thing. Okay, we'll bring it here. Yeah. And then we'll bring this across. And I can't really see anything. Wonder what this thing is. So, okay, here's the peak at this peak here. I just had like a look at it. FML. There we go. All right, so 227. 227. I'm thinking that's going to be like a boss fight. Where's she at there? I'm just going to bring this up.
Yeah, okay, nice.
So 2.
Got it, got it, got it. Oh, there's nobody in here. Dewa. Alright then.
Some people dancing.
Alright then. But people also told me I should go to the spider place. Maybe we should go there then. Spider place, da 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 da, spider place.
Spider
Yeah,
place,
da, da.
spider place. Everybody's dancing now. I thought it was gonna be a boss fight when.
Here we go. Spider place, spider place.
303. Oh. Uh-oh. That's interesting. She's not playing any songs. She's not playing any songs. All right, so we got that to work. Now, do I need to save separate files for it? Do I need to save separate files to it? Do. So how do they have like... Okay. How do they know which one is which? Is this seriously... I didn't close it. I thought I minimized it. It's like crash. Oh, there it is. Holy shit. Okay, so well, I was kind of like, I was like lost my thought. What the fuck? Okay. So let's say I want to insert a chart, right? And oop, fuck. Can I control Z this? No. Can I delete it? Motherfucker, delete this shit. Okay. Edit, undo. There we go. Okay, so let's say I go to the chart. It's just to like highlight all of these. You go to like the insert chart and you got the scatter, and they have like these two different ones. How do they know which one to chart it to? Maybe to... Oh, the data range, sample out. AD? Series and columns? C? Okay, everything's on A. Okay. Which doesn't do me any good. Okay, okay, okay. All right, all right, all right.
I'm back!
I'm back. There has to be like a better way to plot this. Not a better way, but I wonder if there's like some sort of like a graphing thing for Go. Dynamic graphing on Go. Zoho for Go. Oh, Zoho. Real-time Golang runtime stats. Ooh. I've done like this. Dynamic package provides incremental heuristic graph path finding functions. How new is this? I don't think this was here like when I last used it. V1 Gonum. They had like something that like literally printed an image. But I want to be able to like hover over the points like there to be able to see. Yeah. Do 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 do. That's pretty much it, right? That's pretty much it. Pretty proud of this. I couldn't believe, like, yeah, when I was like combing through the program yesterday, I couldn't figure out shit. Why is that closed? Why is like everything closing on me? What the fuck? See, this is confusing to me. Like, why is that? That seems like a fucking... That seems sus as fuck. All right, have a good one, person. Your keyring did not get unlocked when you logged into your computer. Really? Did it not? Outside of the programming, how has your day been going? Putting thoughts on achieving the 40 followers. What's the next goal? 50 followers. I got 42. Yay. I don't know. I don't know what the... I don't know. What is this login keyring? I am going to fucking login keyring when opening VS Code. I want it to fucking... This seems sus as fuck. I'm gonna restart the computer. I don't know what to do with 40. I mean, like, it's not that big of a like a number. I think I want to save this. I like this. So we're going to save this as dynamic wallpapers. But it's a goal that's hit. Celebrate every win, my dude. Yeah. Something's going on here. Like, all this shit's like fucked up. Like I went to like light mode and that's a dark mode. Yeah, let's restart this. It's acting funky. Huh. Oh no, not light mode anything. Yeah. Well, like the light shines on my glasses and then it's like, it makes me like look like I'm blinking and shit. Abe blinking. There's like a butthead monologue or something. It's like, I scored 7 years ago. Yes, indeedy duty. It should be a crime. Imagine if they put people in the stocks for shitty UX. They should. This is like pissing me the fuck off. There we go. Something's like wrong. Like, this is not the first time that's happened to me. That's like the second time this happened to me, like where it says like, you need to put in your password, like when you logged in. It's like, I logged in, bitch. Yeah, I gotta like, what is this like check for updates? I should already like update it by itself. Maybe, how do I download it? VS Code. Huh. Prove you're still. Which one of these pictures is Sarah Connor? Oh yeah. I wonder what's gonna happen when I delete. It shouldn't matter if I delete this. I'm gonna uninstall this. It doesn't do updates, so goodbye. Goodbye, bitch. I'm gonna put it in a flat pack. I should have updated it. Should have posted it. Nah, it should be fine. VS Code shouldn't have anything on it other than like, it's like basically like a bloated text editor. So July 24th. So this should automatically update it so I don't have to fucking do it myself every time. I was kind of running an older version. I will need to get Golang. Oh, restart extension. There we go. Wow, so the extensions were already in there. Open folder. Motherfucker. Home. Package chat scan. Open. There we go. And you dance, and you dance. So I was thinking about doing like a... I don't know. Like a Henya dance. That'll be like, okay, so like it grabs like all the fucking... Ooh, that might be hard. That's what she said. Rainbow SCSV. Nah, I don't really care about that. I don't think I can dynamically print it out. Or can I? I think I can actually. Never mind. Maybe. Yeah, I can. I can. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. But do I want to? Goodbye. Fail to refine the Go binary, Go root. What the butt, bitch? What the hell is this going on? What the hell? Let's uninstall this and reinstall it. Go binary and either go root or path. Oh, what the fuck? App bin, user bin. What the fuck is this shit? Home Derek bar. What the fuck? That seems fine there. Twitch.json wrap phone. I don't care about this right now. Let's see what happens if I type something weird. Like, go F yourself. Ooh. That's not good. Okay. Well, did I say that nothing would go wrong? See, before it would like automatically update for me. I wouldn't have to worry about it. We'll do it like this. Open with Eddie. Got that Deb installing. Yeah, this thing's bloated. It's like 2.5. I wonder what happens when I just go install it. Okay, so I can download a new one and just reinstall it. All right, let's try this now. Pin to dash. Ooh, has my old settings. Nice. 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 Okay. Is this the current one? Yay. Blah, blah, blah. Ooh, see, red line. There we go. We're all good. Yeah, half the battle is trying to figure out how you want to lay it out. Ah. Now, if I remember correctly, let's look at the rules for comma separated values. CSV rules. 6 rules. Let's see what IBM says. What? 6 rules? What the fuck? This is like crazy. Am I crazy here? Oh, just I thought. Never mind. This just says rules. Okay, let's see this. I think they have a dark mode for this now too. Dark mode. Zoom in. Is a text file format uses commas to separate values. Comma separated values is a format that uses commas to separate values. Holy fuck my pants off. Batman. Okay. The delimiter can be anything. Okay, .csv extension, applications, specification. It's plain text using character. Yeah, it's plain text using characters, so like it's expensive. Yeah, it's expensive. Like, if you put something that's like the size of like a 64 bits in there, like maxing out, like it's bigger than an actual 64-bit number. Like, it's bigger. It's, yeah, 8 times 8. Yeah, it's bigger than 8 bytes. But I guess you could like zip it. 3 record consists of records, typically 1 record per line, with the records divided into fields, separate by delimiters. Every record has the same sequence of fields. Yeah, within the general constraints, many variations are in use. Therefore, without additional information such as whether a file claimed simply to be CSV format is not fully specified. As a result, some applications supporting CSV files have text import wizards that allow users to preview the first few lines of the file and then specify delimiter characters and blah, blah, blah. Okay. So, I guess I can go to there. Ooh, look at this. Informational instructions. The comma blah blah blah. Definition of the CSV format. Each record is located separated lines. So do you know like blah blah blah? The last record of the file may or may not have an ending line break. For example. Okay. So there may be an optional header line appearing at the first line. Of the file with the same format as normal record lines. This header will be contained corresponding into the fields. Sweet. Okay. Nice. That just made my life easier. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Easier life, yeah. Okay. So then I can make it compatible. All right, let me Excel this. I want to like pin it to the dash. There we go. DoorDash. So before, was it in here? Let's pull it up in here. Where are you at? Where are you at? There you are. So let's put the Hindu dance. The Hindu dance could have been above this. This could be like text time. I can call it like text time. And this, I can call it like time in seconds. Like TOS, term of service, time in TIS, TIS, time in seconds. This will be text time. I can put it like what I should do is like make this look better. Like put like a 0 here, 0 here, and then like because that's minutes and seconds, and then that could be hour. I don't think I have anything that goes to 12 hours. But I guess I could do that. So I can do like HH, MMSS. Yeah. And then this will be like emote. I could put all types of stuff. So like I can do like message count. Yeah. There we go. We're cooking with gas here. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. All of a sudden it accelerates. All of a sudden, hard acceleration, hitting the gas. Yeah. Just letting it go. Letting it go. Don't save. And we don't care about your updates. Message funks. All right, we're good with that. All right. So I guess I could do like Okay. Chat scan? What the fuck is this shit? Okay, we don't need that. All right. Bye-bye. Twitch.json, chat.json. You can go bye-bye. All right. So I guess I can do... What's this? This is where I'm printing this stuff, right? Load names. Okay, X. Let's delete. Why is this here? Okay, we're good. We don't need to know that. All right. As an emote true. So this is a section. Overlapping seconds. Okay, so let's make like a quick funk on here. Like, we'll make like a funk. And for like M star overlapping seconds. And we'll call it CSV. And then this will return like a string. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. I really wanted to perform like a stringer, but okay, we'll just do like a string. So this will output a format with emotes, format for CSV, which includes messages and messages, time in seconds. Okay. Oop. Page up. We'll put like a 1. Time in seconds. time in text. Oop, 2 ones. I don't know. This would be like SSSSS or like us or something. And then this will be like hour dot semicolon minute semicolon second. And this will be original, not adjusted. Adjusted count. So it'll be like just, I don't know, count. This will be I don't want to call it normalized because it's not between like -1 and 1. This will just be like I just say adjusted count, message count. Message count. Just a message count. Formula is count minus average count. Greater than 0. So, okay. Yeah, that's close. All right. 5. This will be 5 ... I guess like nth. I don't know. Usually like we just like n. So these are all the same. I'm just gonna put it on this middle one. This will be the emote count. So just counts the emotes used. I think like a yeah, if it's 0, do I really need to put it? Yeah, I think I still do need to put it. So if there's none available at a certain time, maybe I'll put 0 there. Ooh, this is gonna be hard. Okay, I thought this was gonna be easy. I still think it's easier than the other way, maybe. But it could be hard. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It could be hard. So we're gonna have like a function. Yeah, we're gonna have a function that is crazy. How do I put it? Okay. Because I'm gonna have like an array of strings. That's gonna have to know what emotes I've looked at. And then like if yeah, okay. So we're gonna have some memory in here that remembers how much emotes I use. So let's make a X. Was it like a memory, emote memory? Equals make And then this is like this is a slice of strings. So we'll pin that string each time. Do I have to? I can't remember if I have to do. Yeah, I do. Okay. I think I might have to like make each one like the. Okay. Anyways, we'll see. We'll see what it says when I do it. It might yell at me, and I'll have to think my way around it. And all right. And if I run into a problem with it, I'll let you all know what the issue is. So, m dot emotes? Okay. So the first one is CSV. Let's do like CSV. Okay. M dot. Okay. Not f print. So string print. fmt dot s print. Sprint. And sprint f. So I think I'd use this down here. Oh, f print f. It's f print f. What the fuck? File print f. So we don't care about that. But we will use like a f print down here. What we're wanting to do is just we'll just make the string, and I'll make sure that we get it the /n on it each time. I might put it. I'm not going to put it in here. I'm not going to do the new line in here. Although I should. I'll put the new line in here because it's CSV. I want to make sure I follow the format as CSV for this. So, okay. So I should like also have a function that returns the headers for each of these. So, func m star overlapping seconds, page up, and then we'll call this CSV header. Header, and this will return a string. And yeah, this might be something that I need to do as I build. It might be easier to do it like in here because I'm appending the emotes, and I could put like in here like as emotes. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Ooh. I don't want to do this. I can't do the header on this because it's not the whole thing. See, this is just for one of the overlapping seconds here. But I have like an array of them. I have a slice of these. And so not all of them are going to have the same emotes in them. So outside of it, I can either have like a builder thing where I like throw these in, and then like I can create something that will, yeah. Maybe I'll be like find header. I'll make one that says find header. Yeah. Yeah. So this will be like overlapping seconds, and then this is a CSV, and this will also have, this will take like this will take the header. Ooh, would that be good? Yeah, I think so. We'll do that. We'll take that in there. And then this needs to be deleted. And then we'll have a function here called find CSV header. And this will take, this will return a header. Oop. And I think I gotta do this. Oops. My keyboard's weird. Yeah. So go away. Just go away for now. This should be value string, return value. We'll just return. What is this? What are you? What's wrong with this? Huh? Oh, I think it needs a. I need to do this. Yeah. And so return value. So it doesn't yell at me any longer. This will return values. Find header. Oh, yeah. That's already does that. So this will take in all these overlapping seconds. So like entire. This will be data. There we go. So header make string 0. There we go. Why are you doing this? What are you doing? Yeah, well, I will be using you later. So this has to go through every single one of these and grab every single stupid emote. So for I comma for, we don't really care. So underscore comma, I don't know why I named this overlapping seconds. This will just be like, OLS equals the range of data. So OLS section dot CSV. So this is making the header. So time in seconds. Okay. Header equals append header, comma. I think I need to make it a slice. Elements of that type. So it's the elements of the type of the string. So I guess I can call it COS, comma. This is kind of, I think this is new. So how many of these can I do? Time in seconds, header string. Time in text. I should just be like text time. Comma. Okay, so everything after that is okay, this will just be count. The count. And then adjusted count. A count. Adjusted. Adjust count. There we go. So this will they'll put that stuff in there, and then what we'll do is we'll start loading it up. So we have like memory, and so we need to make another one that remembers like okay, so emote, found emotes, and then this will be like a string. String 0. So this will be our found emotes, because we'll keep on. What we're going to do, what this does is take the header and just throws that, appends it to it at the end of it, and that appends it to the end of that, that appends it to the end of that, and that appends it to the end of that. So those 4 things get put into header. Yeah. And then this here, we'll be doing the same thing for each emote found, but I need to have some memory of what we found before so I don't keep on adding it to it. And I guess like I could like start from like the end here and then roll down. But the thing is like, I don't want to have to do that. I'll just open up some more memory. I guess I could like still like use header and just like go down the header, but I'm just too lazy. I'm too lazy. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Or I could, oh, ooh, what I could do here. This is what I could do. So I'll just like found emotes. I'll just keep on going down that and add it to it. And then at the end of this, I'll append, be like header, comma, equals append, header, comma, and then found emotes. There we go. So for the section, so we go like for I, do I have an I? I equals the length. I equals 0. I is less than len of found emotes. Ooh. Found emotes, I plus plus. And then what I'll do is go down through found emotes. So I'll be like, if section dot, okay, strings dot contains clone contains, do I need does it need to be, what would be a better one, like count, compare? Okay. Oh, this returns an int. I want a bool. Section dot emotes. Wait a second. What's up, not Chuck? I'm doing like I am building some tools. I was hoping I was gonna, ooh, this is like, it's a little laggy. I was hoping to build some tools where I can see where emotes are used. Not laggy any longer. So yeah, I'm doing that right now. What are you up to? New window. I know I was like being very general. I was being general. Just chilling. Just chilling like a villain. I guess I kind of show an example. So I'm making a CSV file here. And this is gonna be different. Ooh, I meant to do this like completely. See, I'm not gonna, this Henny Dance is gonna end up on top of that. But each of the emotes that were used in here, I'm going to make a CSV file that were used in chat throughout the whole video or the stream. Yeah, like that. Yeah, I got to do it. See? So this is for an Elden Ring one. and she's singing like Spider-Man, like here. Yeah, she's singing. I think she's singing Spider-Man here, or maybe it was here. This one's the beginning of the stream. So each of these she's probably sang in because of the dancing Henya that Lost Cause has up there. You see that? Yeah. Boo 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 boo. So, but each of these here, like people were like using the dancing emote. So they could be doing, there could be any reason why they're using, what the fuck is this shit? Properties? Like, I don't know what this bar is. Oh, I think I know. Okay. I don't like it though. Can I turn you off? Oh, it's for this. Oh my God. I'm pressing random stuff. And yeah. So anytime they used it, they're in here. Yeah. So this could be for anything. Yeah, I did. It was totally my fault. Which I'm very glad it was, because I could fix it. If it was the person that originally did it, their fault, I wouldn't have been able to fix it. Not easily. I probably would have just gave up. It would be like way too hard. Yeah, so yeah, I had the Twitch JSON. So I had this emotes thing in author. So I had it down here in author. So that was like part of the problem. And what I did, I ended up just filling out everything in here. So like the stuff that I wasn't using, I kind of filled out. Other than this, so like badge, I didn't like put much of badge in anything. I don't remember exactly what I left out, but there's like some things that I left out that I ended up just putting back in. And one of them was like emote, and I don't remember exactly. Maybe like the ID, like I didn't really care about the ID. Because the name was way more important to me than some ID number that I have for a database like SQL or something like that hiding somewhere. Like the ID is like the actual like ID location. Or not the ID location. It's just something they can market to make it like individual, so you can name stuff that have stuff with the same names on it. Like a social security number. Right. People can have the same name, but have different social security number. Like same name, birth date, hospital, everything else, but they're still two individual people. Because they have a separate social security number, or like email address. Email address makes a good ID because you can't have multiple email. People can't share. Well, technically, you can't share an email address. I mean, technically you could, but yeah. But that's why they typically use it for usernames. Yeah. So now I'm like, I'm building like little functions to make out a header. So I can put headers on top of it, like this Henya dance. I can have a header here, so I don't have to have it right next to it, which makes it nice. So I'll have a header on top of all this, and then like I'll have like all the emotes. I don't know how many will like fill up. It could be like 50 of them for all I know. It could be 100 of them. It could be 100 emotes. Maybe I'll only like do like the top 5 or something. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah. Yeah, but we'll play with it once and see like what we get. We might get like, yeah, we'll see like how many we get. So actually I need to go through like for J equals the range for actually I don't need this here. For blank comma emote equals range of section I think I need to have this outside. And I need to delete this. We'll delete this. I'll have this here. Control X. B. Okay. So this goes through all the sections, all the data. This goes through the section dot emotes. So this go through all the emotes in a section. And so found emotes starts at 0. This is kind of weird here. I think I'm gonna have to have like a an if in here. So if sections equal 0. Okay, so this will just go through it all and see if it's in there, and this will like contains equals false. So okay. If contains emote, comma, found emotes I, then contains equals true. Or wait a second. Equals true. If not, wait a second. Has to go through every single one of these. So if it equals true, we can break. So contains equals true. What's this emote? Some emotes? Oh. Emote totals. Emote sums. Emotes equals emote sums dot name. There we go. Contains false. Contains equals true. Break. This will break out of this if it's true. If not, it'll run through it all. And if it's not, it'll be false. If not contains summed emotes equals summed equals append. Summed emotes. No, that's not it. My bad. Found emotes. Okay, Control C. Okay, comma. Emote. So where's this at? Okay. And then what's this, a pen? Oh, I don't have enough pens. Okay. What the hell? Cannot use. Do I have to put a dot dot dot? There we go. All right, we're gonna test this. We're gonna test it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Just gonna make sure. I don't care if it rewrites it on there. So t.print ln find header. What do I call that? Find CSV header, and this will be summed array. So yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah. So these are all the emotes. Well, okay, so we had the adjusted count, and then the hinted cheer was the first one. Hinted dance. So this is not in any order. This is not in any order. So yeah. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Prologue, Ogu. Yeah. Philly waves. So that's a ton of them. I wonder how many. Okay, so we get. Oh man, that's a ton. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll pick like the top 10 or something like that. Or at least I'll print them in order. So I got to do a sort. I don't have to like look up a sort. I think they have a sort that I can use. I mean, any kind of sort that I make will be like, even if I do like the bubble sort, since there's only like 100 of them, I'll do it like almost instantly. Ooh. Do 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 do. Ooh. So the first one. Yeah. The first one I can do it like the totals for all of them. Could be like the first line. And then after that it's all gravy. I don't know, that might be a little weird. I can just find the totals like using Excel. Although like I do want to have like, I do want to go in there and like, oh shoot. Yeah. So I made a header with that. I think for sorting purposes, I'm gonna have to use the summed emotes. I'm gonna have to have an array of that where I'm getting the totals. So yeah. That was pretty fast. Let's do another one in here. I hate this being here. I can move this into message funcs, or I'll move this into overlapping seconds. I'll create a new file called overlapping seconds. Yeah, let's do that. So how do I make a new file again? So overlapping seconds, overlappings.go. And then this will share the same like packages as this. Import strings and then package chat scan. So let's copy that. This header will let you know that this file folder can be used inside of it. And then I am going to take these and move them over here. Not those though. I'm gonna take these. Just to make it easier for me to read, supposedly. Is there a way to cut this? Okay, we'll cut that. I have like this this track. What do they call that? Bean. Okay. So I don't have to like use my mouse. I've been meaning to use that. So, okay. I got this keyboard just so I can program easier without having to leave my hands from the keyboard. Okay, so I can go to this overlappings. Yeah, it's, you know, like the old like ThinkPads. Well, actually they're not old. I mean, like they're still around. They still make new ones. It's like the keyboard that they have, you know. ThinkPad keyboard. It has that nub there. Yeah. Let's blow it up. Yeah, it has that on there. Yeah, like that thing's like a beast for like programming and stuff because you don't have to leave your hands from the keyboard. Yeah. Although it can be a little hard to control. We. So that will return the header. Let's get like emote totals. We'll call this like emote totals. Func emote totals. And then this will take data. That was overlapping seconds. So this is going to be like very similar to what we just did up there. In fact, like this will be the totes. This will be the totes. Is it emote counter? I think that was it. All right. Emote, some emotes. What's the emote counter? Motherfucker. Some emotes. emotes. No, that's not some. Yeah. There's some emotes. Okay. So this allocates a slice of some emotes. Let's allocate. Oh, wait a second. There we go. End. And I'm going to do this. Ooh, I would do something similar to this. I'll copy it. Totes, baby. And found emotes. This will be yeah, that. Dot name. If not contains. So here, what's the emote? Emote some name. Okay, so this will be emote. Dot name. Okay, if that's true, then found emotes I dot some vowels plus equals emote dot some vowels. So that's adding on to it. This will slowly build up the totals of everything. And it, yeah. Yep. Ooh. So all my work I did in here, I could probably just like take it off. Although like the thing is like it got me to this, because what I'm going to do in here, I can sort it in here and then go back up here and just throw it in here and have it already sorted. Yeah, that's a thing. I'm actually going to probably use this function quite a bit. Yeah, I'm probably going to use this function quite a bit, to be honest. And I'm probably going to use this summed emotes, this totes here that I'm returning. I'll probably be using that quite a bit for everything. So I'll be like each of the functions that I bring in, I'm going to be using it. Yeah. So I added that to it. Emotes. Some emotes. Okay. That looks good. Found emotes. That's a, yeah. Totes. Return totes. I think this is good. Yeah. Because that adds it there. If I pinned it, it's going to add whatever's in there already in there. So yeah, that's good. So at the end of this though, sounds like a plan. Oh yeah, baby. It's a plan, man. So freaking fracks. I think they have like a sort. Let's go up here. I think there should be a sort. So Golang sort. I don't want to have to fucking mess with a sort library. I don't want to have to like build my own sort. Although I probably should do that like eventually if I want to go back into the job market. I'll have to start like working on those sorts again. I didn't think I'd ever use a sort. Okay, here's the thing. Would it be faster to sort it as I place it in? Oh, fuck me. No, I wouldn't know until the end of it anyway. So, yeah. After everything's added up, that's the only time I would know. Although, like, I could... Maybe I can, like, decrease the time that it takes to put everything in there. Like, if I do, like, a sort every once in a while. Sort keys, example. Name, age. Oh, that looks exactly like the shit I'm doing. What the fuck is this? Is this a sort? Package sort provides importing slices and user-defined collections. Will this work? It should. 3142. What the fuck is this? Sort by age. Type by age person. Ooh. What the hell is this shit? Oh, you gotta make these. Okay. So I think you gotta make an interface. So you gotta make a len, swap, and less. And what kind of interface is that? What is it taking? Sort.slice. Okay. Let's go back up. So ink or slice. Int slice. Type interface reverse. There it is. X any. Why did it have to have? Oh, you started learning? Sweet. Yeah, Go's good because they have like really good documentation and they have like really good like libraries to start off and like for server stuff. So they made Go because they wanted like people to like, a lot of people had like C knowledge, Java knowledge, you know, like even like some Python knowledge. And so they're like, they made Go so like people can just get in there and start going, getting going. And yeah. So that's why it's kind of nice. So Google made like a nice little thing and they're like pretty big sticklers on it on some things. Like So they try to like it yells at you about stuff. And it's probably like a lot of their internal coding stuff also. So like right here, it's like, don't make a function. It's basically, you can have a function that's not used. But like it'll yell at you. It's yelling at me here. It will still compile, but it's yelling at me. It's like, hey man, you didn't even use this. Like, why do you even fucking have this in here? So, yeah. And then like this header here. Yeah, I'm gonna use this here in a little bit. I think I like, oh yeah. This will return the header. Huh. I don't think I need this. I don't think I need this any longer. Yeah, so I'll probably delete that. I might delete that other one. So yeah, they have some pretty good, they had some pretty good built-in libraries. I forget how this worked again, so. Yeah, I definitely would consider, picking up a Golang. I don't know why this funk is here. Funk IJ ent. Oh. Ooh. Oh, this is crazy. Funk A by age, then swap. I just don't understand, like, ooh. Ooh, so this goes sort by age people. Okay. And this is slice, sort by sort. I kind of like this. I don't understand the by age part here. What's this by age? Oh, I think I know. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. Person. Oh, I think they just gave it a type by age. So, okay, so they made a, okay, here you can make a type by age, and that type is a slice of persons, of a person. So you can do like, instead of just like an integer, or even like a single type, you can actually make like a slice. You can make, slices are like arrays. They're arrays that you can like append stuff onto it. And so basically they're wrapping it here, the people here, they're wrapping it by this type, by age. And so like in here, these are methods. So it's kind of like a, this is like their way of doing classes. Like in C++. And so like, or object orientation. And so like, but this like satisfies, so if you look at the sort, let's go to sort. This probably takes an interface. Yeah. Data interface. It's weird that it does just interface and not just the interface of, I thought it would. Why does it just take an interface? Sort. I thought it would. I think. Well, this is just like an empty interface. Ooh, interface when. Oh. Okay, so this is. They call it interface. This is so bad. I'm sorry. Type interface of interface. Yeah. I guess they had a hard time with it. So interface is the type that they have. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, this is kind of confusing. This confused me for a second there. So interface is like a type. You can have like an empty interface, which can be any type. Which programming have you been using? Not Chuck. Java. So is there a void type in Java? It's probably like a generic almost. I've never really worked with, I spent like maybe 3 months on Java. So I'm not like, maybe it's kind of like a generic on it. But in C, it's like a void type in C, like a void star. For Java. Trying to create a class that contains standard vector void star. I've been told that void star is the C++ object in Java. Ew. Okay, this is like the reverse. But interfaces are kind of nice because they can be any function as long as they satisfy these. It could be any struct as long as it satisfies these methods. HTML, how to meet the ladies. Oh yeah. They were when you learn that, they're crawling all over you. You can't swat them off fast enough. Oh, you use HTML? Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, that's great. All right. So I'm gonna need this still. Type interface. So we'll have it satisfy this type interface. And they gave us like examples of the functions up here, so I'll just like look at those. So like yeah, the persons. So overlapping seconds. We had the summed emotes. Yeah, so ooh, okay, so we'll have like type array of summed emotes. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it's on here. Shit. Yeah. Okay. Array of summed emotes. I think I misspelled summed. Oh, I don't need that. Okay, so this here, that's that. And then I can do like a... how do they do it here? So, be like a func. I hate this. Anyways. A array 70 emotes. And that was Len. Return len of a. All right. Yay. Len int. Okay, so I could have put that on a new line, but I didn't. Like, I could have done that, but I'm not going to. I'm going to put it there. Ooh. I don't think I can use this. We'll see if this works. Plan is unused. We'll see if this works. It might not work because this might need to be. This might need to be public, not private. We'll see. Yeah, and the way to make it like public is like uppercase it. So with a lowercase, it doesn't go. It's not public, so it can't be seen. Okay. And this one was like swap ij int. And we'll just steal this. In fact, I can probably just do that for the rest. So they just swaps the two values. And then it's less. Ooh, so paste, and this will be paste, paste. There we go. Fuck you, you're not gonna use it. All right. Emote totals, so we're at the end of this totes. And then we're gonna do sort. Can we do it the opposite direction? So this is random. This is like two ways to sort slice. First one, you can define a set and method of slice types by age. Sort. Okay, can we do the opposite direction? So sort does it like, it looks like it does it from least to most. So sorts ascending. Let's like, where's descending? Reverses the elements of the slice in place. What the fuck is this shit? Okay. Ints are sorted as slice stable. Swap type int slice strings stable sort reverse the order. I guess if it doesn't have that, then I will just do it myself. Yes, indeedy duty. Yeah. I really don't want to, but it's going to be linear, so I just think it's kind of stupid that they don't have like a descending order. Descend. No. Okay. Yeah, you think they would, right? But they probably think like, oh, they can just make it if they need it. Mm-hmm. That sort. And then this will be just will make sure they do this right. I just don't even, yeah, I can just do that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, I see this one here. Maybe I'll just use this one. Because here you can just be like, you can just tell it that. Crap. I did all that for no reason. I'm just going to use this one because this one, like, okay, the other way is use the sort slice with a custom less function, which can be provided as a closure. It is the case no methods are needed, and if they exist, they are ignored. We resort in reverse order, compare closure by age dot less. But that's by age. What? I don't understand. Oh, compare the closure. Okay, because it's just greater than. Oh. Oh. Check this. They told us without telling us. I could just put the greater than in there. Totes. Totes, baby. Emote totes. So let's check this. And what we'll do is we'll go through every one of these. Where did I print it? Okay, print ln file and CVS header. So this will be emote totals. And Here we go. And then for I equals, okay, for underscore comma, some section equals equals the range, a sum array. Okay, we can just delete this. I'm probably never going to use that again. So it's going through every one of them, and we're just going to print them down the line. Okay, let's do this. Let's do it. Please work first try. That should have been like a new line. What's going on here? It didn't sum it. I don't know what this shit is. Oh, I know what happened. Fuck. Yeah, it didn't work right. It didn't work right. How do I get out of this? Overlapping seconds? Oh, I didn't get this. I should got the totes. Okay, totes. Oops. There we go. Here we go. There we go. So Henya Cheer is by far the biggest. What is the fuck is this? So this is nothing, I guess, and this is that. I guess that's an emote. Lol's an emote. Space is an emote. I don't know what this is. So, oh, the smiley face. That's an emote. Yeah. So Henya Cheer is the biggest. Henya Dance. Henya. This is probably Joler. I don't know. They wouldn't have that in there. How does it know what LOL is? Let me see that. Let me see this. Can I just type in LOL? Aha! So what's space? That's nothing. What is this? Well, that shouldn't pick up 7TV, I don't think. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but it's used a lot. Ooh. Lol. Global Twitch, yeah, but I don't know what it would be. Maybe it's nothing like a... Well, it does runes. Seems pretty important. And it's used a lot. Henya F. I guess like let me see if I can find it. Can I control F? Oh, wrong one. Control F. So we'll do like this, space F. Okay. This here, there's a lot. Message. Name. There's people with names of that? Hmm. What the fuck is this? Static emotes con v2 emotes. Okay. There's 98 of those, but there's not like fucking. There's not like what is this? Let's take a look at this. I think this is it. Because the name would be here, right? Emotes. Yeah, it'd be like Henya Hypers. So I copied this, right? Copy. Let's check this shit out. Please don't be porn. Please don't be porn. What the fuck? It's so weird. It's Henya Cheer, right? Like it's this. And your cheer dance? But that's just like quote quote, there's nothing in there. I hit enter. We'll have to check another one. Maybe it's one that they didn't like. Maybe it's one, I don't know. Fuck. Oh, I'm using the wrong. I'm using the wrong keyboard. I got too many keyboards. I got a keyboard in my lap. Oh. What's Henya Cheer? Okay. I picked the wrong one, so. Henya Cheer dance is not Henya. Oh, shit. I need to change a thing. I found a bug. I found a bug, I think. So, Henya Cheer, just Henya Cheer. We'll just put this in here like this. Yeah. So, I said, like, is within. And so the cheer dance, I should just be like, is exactly or whatnot, right? So I got to figure out what that function is. Okay, so that's that. So this might be, I don't know. So maybe me changing this up a little bit might be same word without dance. Yes. So it's and the function I chose is like contains. So it's looking for if it contains that. And I bet there's not like a Henya Cheer dance in that list. Because it would just, it'll look for that first. There might be a cheer dance. Cheer dance. Yeah. So that was like at the very top. It's not part of that list. So yeah. So let's figure out a better one that contains. Let's go to strings. Ooh, I want to go to the actual website. Golang strings. Contains any cut equal fold. What is this? Compare. Counts the number of non-overlapping instances of substring. Okay. Repeat. What the fuck is all this shit? Example. This is equal fold. Folding, case folding. Split in title, two lower. Let's get out of this. They have like an is. Contains fun, contains run, count, cut prefix. Equal folds, fields func, has suffix. Index any, index bytes, join, last, replace. Could you use an if statement? Yeah, probably. I don't want to, because then like it could be like really big. I guess I could compare the size. Can I compare the size? Can I find the size of a string? Does Lin do that? Let's see if they have a function that has just, is it the same? Oh, wait a second. It might be built in. It might be built in. So in C, you would probably, let's test to see if it's built in. I probably didn't even need that. So is this the one overlapping seconds? This is make, wait a second. I need to go into overlappings. So we'll copy this. We'll go to home. If emote.name if equals equivalent found emotes I dot name maybe that's why we can't find the function, because it's just built in. So normally, like in C, you couldn't be able to do this. Let's see if it works. First, do we have another contains? You'd have to check the character and then like build like another function. It's like, are they the same length? And then they're not. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Pun intended and not intended. What? It didn't throw an error. Can you? Control F. And you cheer, dance. Oh, what the fuck? Did I go up too far? Here, let's do this. Let's clear. Yay. That one that was empty is gone. Yay. I love that, like the cheerleader. Let's find this. I think this is her holding the heart. She could have like an animated one that's like comes out, like the heart grows. The heart grows. It's static. I love being able to pull them up here. Yay. Wee. I'm gonna have to redo these over again. Like I made like a bunch of like animated things. But I did it by like copying the screen. I like took a recording of my screen of her chat and then like I moved it over. I had to make like a function that like basically sliced it up into here, I'll show you. But like that was before I knew about these. Like I can grab them like here. So, but I'll show you what I did. It was very did I have it in here? I might have moved it. Might be in here. Emote. All emotes, pics. So I had to like, I took a screenshot of them all and then I cut them out. And then like, I did like an AI upscale on all of them. Oop. It was super extensive. So I had a little function where I like cut them all out. And then like, this is the upscale part of it. And then I threw them all together. But now like, I didn't get the frames right because I thought they were all the same frames. So they kind of all end at weird spots. They don't like loop well. They don't loop like they do like, you know, that you see like on the chat box. And then like yeah. Oh, thanks for the follow. Kabija? Ka. Bija. Yay. I don't have my own emotes. I'm on my way to getting them though. It'll be like a person like slamming their head on the table, probably out of frustration. Yeah, no emotes. Hope I get them soon. I hope so too. I think they'll be fun. I think this is like the best thing about like Twitch is like the freaking animated emotes. You know what I'm saying? Like I love Twitch like for streams and stuff. But I dual stream also on the YouTube. Shaking my head. What's that? I got like a 4K monitor here. Damn, that thing is going fucking schizo. Himic. Or is that her? Her name is Nice. Oh my. That's a cat? Oh man. I love it. I love it. Let's see who this person is. Epileptic speed. Yeah, let me see who this person is. That was like a big breakthrough I just had. We're gonna check out this VTuber. She oh. What does she speak a language like let's do it. Let's do it. That's like my favorite, like when Henry says let's do it. Okay, her name is Nice. It's a nice name. Pun intended. Recent broadcasts? Videos? What the fuck did I just do? She's a streamer from Thailand. That's what I was thinking. I was like, man, this is like characters I don't really know. Ooh, she's gonna scratch me.
วันนี้มีของมาส่งเดี๋ยวให้ดูแป๊บนึงนะโทรศัพท์ไหนโอเคเดี๋ยวไหนให้ดูอะไรเว้ยทุกคนมันโซคิวเดสเน่มากๆคิดถึงมากๆเหมือนกันเราช่วงนี้
Does she have an animated or is it just a PNG? She speaks better. She sings better than Pippa. At least she gets on that note. She's a PNG tuber. That's cool. I like how like the blinks.
ไหนเกิดบอกผิดท่อนแล้วสวัสดีค่ะคบคเป็นไงบ้าง
I watch a lot of
เมื่อวานสตรีมสนุก
on YouTube. I watch a lot of like market cooking. So I watch that brain rot where they have people cooking food and stuff like that. And I watch a lot of the market Thailand food stuff too. Although like one part, like I just like, there's one part that kind of, I'm not used to it, but like how it seemed like, I think they're the, I don't know if the squid were still alive or not, but how they like gutted them, it kind of disturbed me a bit. It's like, I didn't need to see that. I can just eat it without seeing it. Thai food is fire. Oh yeah, it's good stuff. Yeah, they're just like, and like I don't think, and I know like seafood it's a thing, like especially like crustaceans, like shrimp and lobster, like cooking them alive. It kind of bothers me a bit. I saw like some person had like a shrimp. It was like on YouTube, not on YouTube. It was on X, and they're showing a shrimp like crawling. It's like a shrimp or like a really small lobster or something. I don't remember exactly what it was. But it jumped into like a frying pan, like full of hot oil, and cooked itself like immediately. I can't go to the Thai fresh market at all. Oh man. Yeah, it was like, I'm just like, oh my gosh. But I guess it's fresh. Like, how do you fucking kill like a crawfish? I guess you can chop its head off immediately. Not a crawfish, but like a lobster. I guess you can chop its head off immediately, but hopefully you can like, yeah, I don't know about cooking it alive. Unless they like die like immediately, right? We have a dish called, basically translated to dancing shrimp. Do you watch Henya also? Ka? Is that how you pronounce it? Copy jaw or something like that? We get all the small shrimps alive, put them in a spice box, and then shake them. Eat. Ugh. I don't eat shrimp like I used to. Mostly, I live like deep inland. Yeah, Bija is cooler. All right. You love Henya, so like we should talking about like how they would like where you go to the restaurants and they have the live fish on there and just like, oh, it's fresh fish. It's fresh. You know it's fresh. It's like, oh man. Oh man. Yeah, her parents are all like that. So I live like pretty far inland and I just don't get shrimp or anything like that typically. I guess if I lived on the coast, I would. It's live in 10 seconds ago, super fresh. Oh yeah, like cooking them like right on the grill. They're showing that like cooking the lobsters and shit and the shrimp like right out over like the charcoals, the charcoal grill while they're alive. It's like, holy shit. Holy moly. Yeah, I like her voice. Mm-hmm.
ผมมานั่งคิดทุนขนมปัง
So
อร่อยไหม
Hell yeah, brother.
นายอยากกินคอฟเฟิล
What's this?
กินเข้าไปแล้ว
Oh, kitty.
มันหดหูก็เลยเป็นหดหูอ๋อ
Kitty. Oh, it's not quite like a Persian. It has like a smaller snout though.
คุณหมากินข้าวยังเฮ้ยคุณหมากินบาร์บีคอนไปแล้ว
I like the color of that cat.
ทำไมถึงไปกินคนเดียวอ่ะคุณ
I'm not getting any funny ideas. Because I'm not a Neko. Yeah. I'm not getting any funny ideas.
นายอยากไปกินด้วยซึบ
Oh, I like that
ทุกคน
keychain thing
ถ้ามันไม่
too.
ตรงมันหมาย
Black rice, follow
ความรัก
me.
ที่มีให้ในกับ
Yeah.
ทุกคนมันสามารถทำ
Got the
ให้
claws. So we had a cat. I'm gonna go lurk for a bit. See ya. All right, have a good one. Hey, thanks for following. Me likes to code. Yeah, we had a cat once. It was a Maine Coon, and it eventually got maimed by a dog. And yeah, it didn't last, but he was pretty big. And he had a bunch of fur. How do you spell Maine Coon? Maine Coon. There we go. Yeah, I think like one of the issues was he wasn't like as big as that, but he was pretty big. Like we declawed him, but because he was an indoor cat. But when he got older, like he was fat inside, and when he got older, we started letting him out, and he lost a bunch of weight. He didn't have quite the snout like that. He looked a lot more like that. And he was a big old kitty. He was pretty big. But it was like all fur. So he might have been like a half breed. Yeah, this cat's huge. Look at that paw. What the hell? You have 2 cats? Yeah, I kind of miss having a cat. They're fun. He used to attack us down the stairs. Like if we get like towards the end of the stairs, you could tell like he was just gonna jump on you and get you and start like nibbling at your ankles. It was kind of mean, I guess, in that respect. I don't know if that's normal for a cat, but it seemed like, I mean, we had him for like 14 years and it was kind of like that. $10 to 14 years, I can't remember exactly how old he was. But when I went off to college, like my first year, he died. And yeah. But if he had his front claws, the menthol cream tabby male kitten being held at cat show. Yeah, you could tell, like, he just had that look in his eyes. He was gonna be like, I'm gonna bite the shit out of you. I'm gonna bite the fucking shit out of you. Brr. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So we got that. I think I'm gonna do like a few more things here. This sorted it. This one's going to be like super fast. So find CSV header. Yep. So we're going to take in like this. And I'm checking out Bad for Me. Have a good one. So we don't need this any longer. We don't need this. Shit. We don't need this either. We don't need this. Header. We just need to do like for I equals 0, I is less than the length of totes. I plus plus. And yeah, this is kind of, usually I like using range, but we'll just do this one. So it'll be like totes I dot name header equals append header comma name totes I dot name. There we go. So that's the header now. Yep. That's it. I guess I could do like the first couple lines. What else was I looking for? I don't think I need this. This is CSV value string. The header. I guess I can use this. This will be header. What's all in those? I forget. I wish I had this regular style. Let's look at this chat scan. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. File printf, right name, control V, and also. Okay. And you cheer, and you dance, and your heart, and your F. Lol, head pats, bonk, waving, pagu, Giga Chad, panic. I think I like the panic one too. Pot friend. Yeah, I don't think I need all these. It's like a ton. Maybe like the top. Nah. I guess I can do like, I could pick the ones that I want. I could have a couple functions to pick the ones that I want to look for. I could also just like return this list too. Like at the program, this is gonna be a program that I'm just gonna call, that I can call and throw it in there, and then it can give me some info. Maybe I can have like have a list, and then I can kind of like look through it myself. Or then I can create one that it'll take like it could take like a file that has like a list of emotes that I want to look for. Or I think I could do like one with like the top, because like the panic one might be good, or the one where she's like bonking. That's a good one. The wavings use a lot, like usually like at the beginning, so I probably don't need to have that as much. Yeah, in your panic. Yeah, bye. I guess I could do the ones that are like magnify, flush, thumbs up, braid. Ooh. Anything above double digits? Oh well. We'll start with like we'll have a function that does like the top 10. So this one, actually, it will just do like yeah. Find CSV header. This will just be like vowels. Ooh. This will be, it just needs to be text anyway, it doesn't matter. Right? Because it's all just characters. Yeah. Okay, so this one will be, we'll set it like a limit to it. Yeah, so like we could put like emote totals. We can do like the num of emotes, num of top emotes, and this will be like int. If negative, do all. If is negative, do all. I don't really like functions like that, but I tend to do functions like that, but I hear it's not good. It's like if num of emotes less than 0, we'll do this. Copy. Else we will do this again. I don't know why I cut it. So this will be paste. And then this will be num of emotes. Let's be careful too. Let's have like a let's have a check. If num of emotes is less than, wait a second. If num of emotes is less than okay, this will gather all of it. So if num of emotes is less than the length of totes, yeah, then we'll just do all of them. What's this? Do you want code to open external? No, we'll cancel it. Else we'll just do the total number of emotes. There we go. Data unused parameter. Unused parameter. What is this? Overlapping seconds. I guess I didn't use this one. I didn't need to compare it because I was just putting it in there. Okay. There we go. That's good. All right. Yeah, it definitely hates it, doesn't it? I got a ton of slop. It doesn't help that like you're freaking, like when you're building it, it's just giving you these warnings everywhere. It's like, give me, like, put a timer on these warnings or something. Like make a file with a timer and like remind me after like 15 minutes or 30 or an hour. Remind me the next day. Just remind me when I hit build. That's true. But this is like part, like it would, I think it would, or you probably have to run it through something. It'll remind you. Yeah. Like, I don't think I'm going to use this. I can't remember why I have this. I think, oh, I think I know why. So this is just the CSV. Yeah, so now this is like convert to the CSV. So I think like this is gonna be dirty as fuck. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this is gonna be real dirty. Can I have... I can't remember. It's been a while since I've done it. So... var... value... Oh, I already have values, right? So... value... equals value... plus... comma... or plus x that's it. Oh, wait a sec. If there's nothing in there, shit. Hold on a second. This would have started off with a comma. So I guess I need an initial condition of oh, fuck me. Okay, if len of vals is equivalent to 0, return. Okay. So because I gotta put like the val, so val equals value equals vals 0, and then oh man, I really wish I had that. So I gotta skip that first one. So for I equals 1, I is less than the len of vals I plus plus, and then value equals value plus this shit. Copy, paste, and this will be vals I. There we go. Return value. I guess we can just do return value here. I mean, like, it's gonna be blank. Can I return nil on a string? I can't remember. It doesn't like it. Yeah. So it'd just be, yeah. I guess I should put like an air. Air. And this will return nil. Nil here. And then this will return, man, I hate doing it, but errors dot new. Just a string. So, val string vals is nil. So I haven't like I've been away from Go for a while, so I think they've like kind of worked on the errors a bit since I've last been on it, since I've last used it. CSV func. It might be more extensive. Yeah. Blinking. I don't know. Append. I don't think I end up using that. Okay. So I think this might be, I don't want to call it yet. I'm on the wrong page. What the fuck is this? What is this here? Okay, start val. Oh, this is like if everything's 0. Okay, I think I want to put this in here. So this can kind of go away-ish. But I'm going to move it down. Where is this? Where is this ending? Why do I have this here? Oh. This is me just finding everything. So I will put this, I'll move this down. This is gonna get dirty as fuck. Oh yeah. So exclude beginning. Exclude end. So I think this is like in seconds. Let's look at this. So control find. Okay, so this finds a average. Divided by steps. Oh, what the fuck? So this is the summation. So I think this is a... How many steps it is? Hmm. Yeah, this is how many steps it is. Yeah. We don't have to worry about it right now, but we'll keep this in here. So this here is like this is here does like it's not normalized, but it like shifts the original counts to makes the average 0, and then like anything that's like less than 0, it basically it makes it 0. So we don't care, but that's like that helps you know like what's important in chat. I don't know if it'll be necessarily helpful. I guess it could be helpful for anything, but yeah, but like this here is gonna go bye-bye. Yeah, but so this excludes the beginning and end because usually I don't want to call it junk data, but I already know what it is typically. And it could skew off the information. Basically, it could skew off the information when yeah, it could skew off like the messages and like, you know, like stuff that can be used in other spots. It can be less than 0. So this counts all messages. This function does. This is like a function I had before. So I'm not gonna really worry about, like, I'm not gonna want to count the beginning of, like here, the Henya dance and the Henya dance here, like these are probably like, these aren't as important. Especially here, like this is like all like people getting psyched up for her stream to start. And this one here, this is probably people getting psyched up about leaving the stream. Like, I wonder, like, why someone just danced here. Much hype. Yeah, we get to live. Yeah. 121. I have to bring that back up. Let's save this. I think summed array. Why do we okay. I think I have to just not do this any longer here. Yeah, I have to redo this function. And I think this might be like a good spot to stop. That's like a tongue twister, yo. So yeah, I think this is a good spot to stop. I will I'm gonna like finish this during the day. Today, during the day. Hopefully. If I got I gotta see if I'm needed somewhere else, but yeah, if I don't do it during the day, then I'll do it at night. And yeah, I think we're pretty close to like an actual working program here. So they say like there's this 90% rule. So when you're done with 90% of it, you got to finish the other 90%. So when you think you're 90% done, you're really only halfway done. Yeah, and like I've so yeah, this might take me a couple more days. Who knows? Like I think I got a lot done in the last half an hour. I kind of like worked it through. Me going back to it and making sure like what the fuck I did here. It'll take me like a second. Yeah, if you have the graph already, then you're in there. Well, what I'm doing here, I'm just doing a CVS file and just fucking doing that here. Now, what I like about the CVS file, what I like about using this LibreOffice is I can hover over a point and I can look at like, hey, that's at 3 hours and 3 minutes. But if this gets like hairy, like super hairy, yeah, CSV, that's it. Give me your CVS files. No, that's my doc. That's my medication. Give them to me. So, yeah. I'm on my way to like making like another like Henya singing clip. My scripts are gone. Yeah, 303. So, and then I gotta like make this so I can do like Pippas or like anybody on YouTube. Like these files should be able to like go over it. It should be universal on it, but I just gotta like the YouTube JSON files are a bit different. I think there's like a little bit of crossover. Like I did start on it here, but I gotta double check. So we got the Twitch and we got the YouTube. So I'll be able to do like anybody on YouTube, anybody on Twitch, but I haven't figured out how to make it automatically find the difference between the two. So I might have to like, might have to pass the argument in the function, you know, in the main, say like if it's Twitch or not. We'll see. I'll have to play around with it. Because I think one of them like threw an error on me and the other one didn't. But then like I try to fill it after the error, and it wasn't having any of it. But maybe I'll like retry that. If you find something easy in the schema to differentiate, have to just find something easy in the schema to differentiate. Yeah. Yeah, I mean like I just throw it in the unmarshal function, and if it gave me an error, like one of them, it did give me an error when I tried to throw it in there, and then one of them didn't. But they're pretty similar. I've only used this for like finding their, yeah. I'll have to go back through it. What are these fucking images? There's badges and shit. Oh, the badges. We don't need no stinking badges. I'll have to double check through it. I got a sample YouTube JSON here, and they're pretty similar. Badges, icons, title, ID, that motherfucking number or letter or whatever the hell it is. Oh, with YouTube, I think with YouTube, they had like a negative number. One of them had like a negative time. It might have been Twitch though. So I had to check like the beginning parts to make sure there was like no ending time. Negative, yeah, here's a negative time. Yay. I don't think Twitch did though. Yeah, they didn't have a negative time. But YouTube does. That was fun. That was fun, yo. So, all right. Fun times. Oh, I got this end screen thing here. Yeah, yay. And I got music. One of these days I'm going to put music on this. Peace out, yo. Hey, thanks for talking. Bucket, was it Bake TNK? Beckett? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Sorry. I'll flog myself tonight or tomorrow morning. I'll do a self-flogging. Not Chuck, thank you for stopping by. Lost Cause. Bija. Bruh. Good night, bro. Yeah. Who else was there? There's other people. Is that really it? Oh, Sunman. Man, when did you all put this stuff? Yo, Programmer Cat. Oh, there. Wait a second. I'm not getting any of the YouTube ones. I am so sorry, YouTube. But yeah. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I don't know why I didn't get any. Shit. This is unbelievable. I'm so scuffed. I gotta just test this real sec. Motherfucker. Yeah. Sorry, YouTube, if you're still on here. I'm bad. I thought it was working earlier, and I guess I decided not to do that any longer. But yeah. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Y'all have a good one, and I will see you all on the flip side. Bye.